In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import an XREF. And the benefits to this is, as a landscape designer, you work with civil engineers or architects or other disciplines, and you receive their files. And to import their file into AutoCAD, you're ensuring that you're not really altering their drawing, but you're drawing your landscape on top of their drawing. So you're using their existing information to create yours. So to import an XREF into AutoCAD, you use the command XREF. When you type in XREF, an AutoCAD box like this will come up, and this will show where your PDFs are located, it'll show where your images are located, and it will also show where your XRefs are located. So to add a new XREF, we're going to go to this top icon and we're going to attach a DWG, because this has to be a DWG file to insert itself into AutoCAD. And when you find the file, a box like this will come up where you can scale the drawing on the screen, or you can insert at a certain spot on the screen. I'm going to leave the scale alone because I do not want to change the scale of it, so I'm going to hit OK. Sometimes when you insert an XREF, it sort of just disappears off the page, so to find the XREF really quickly, hit Control A, because that's just grabbing everything on the screen. We're going to type zoom, and we're going to select all, because we select all in the screen, and it will take us to everything that is selected on the screen. And here is our XREF. Now I suggest turning this XREF onto a different layer unique to its own, because right now this XREF is on layer 0, and there might be hidden layers on either your drawing or other drawings that have 0. And when you turn off the layer 0, you might be missing elements in other areas. So just keep this as its unique layer, and then you can begin to draw your landscape plan on this area. And you can also clean up this drawing by using the layer off or freeze command, and you could turn off some of these areas, like I just turned off the spot markers, which were kind of loading the document too much. So for AutoCAD training that teaches you how to use it for the landscape design, go to thelandscapelibrary.com or subscribe now for more videos, trainings, and tutorials.